Okay, good evening, everybody. Very good evening to all of you. So, yeah, in this session, we are going to discuss this that how can you use virtual calculator in JAM examination. So, I'll be showing you how can you use that. I'll be showing you, how can you practice that. There are a lot of applications and there are other methods as well, definitely, to get the same calculator for practice. So, I'll be giving you that kind of option as well. Okay, and you can also download one application that is called I'll be telling you the name of that application definitely. So I'm waiting for 30 more seconds so that students can join. Fine. And in this session, through this virtual calculator, through the same virtual calculator that you will get in JAM examination, I will be doing this maths: sum, summation, subtraction, multiplication, division, something to the power something, how can you write and how can you calculate that, and then finally ln and log, these kinds of calculation. Okay, I'll be giving you a different kinds of numerical kind of thing, and then I'll show you through the virtual calculator then how can you solve that thing. Fine. So good evening. So should I start now? Are you ready? Should I start now? So first of all, let me just give you a quick introduction of that calculator. Okay, just a second. Just let me give you. Just a second. Just a second. Yeah, I think I have got that. Fine. Just let me do one thing. Okay, so I think you can see the screen. You can see the whole screen. So what I'm doing, I'm just sharing that slide. Okay, yeah. Okay, look at the screen, look at the portion. So this is actually my test portal. Okay, the Easy Chemix test portal. And whenever you go to Easy Chemix test portal and you are appearing in any test, okay, any test you are appearing in, so in that case you can just, okay, I am showing you this is a test portal and you can see the timing over here. You can see the timing over here and where the test is going on. Okay, so in this test portal, what you can do, you can just appear in the test, appear in the real test, and you can also use this calculator, and this is the same calculator that you are going to get in IIT JAM examination. Fine. So yes, you can see, I think is it visible, guys? Is it visible? Can you just tell me, is it visible through your mobile screen? Because if you have laptop or if you have any PC, it is definitely visible, but through your mobile screen, is it visible? If it is not, then I will be just, I would like to zoom little bit. Please, can you tell me, is it visible? Yeah, Shubham, I'm back right now, and from 15th Feb, I'll be again taking live classes daily, okay, as usual. Fine. So is it visible? Can you just show me over here? Is it visible? I mean, this whole thing. I mean, if I do something, okay, let me just zoom little bit. Okay, just let me zoom little bit. Then I think it would be better for you. Just a second. Now just let me check. Now look at this. I think now it is much more visible, right? Okay, yeah, just a second, just give me some seconds because it's very tough to zoom this thing. uh yeah, now I think it is fine, more or less. Okay, let me shift a little bit towards the left. And then I will just do this. Just some few seconds. Now is it clear? Now please guys notify me in the chat box. Is it clear now? Is this thing clear? Or I have to zoom a little bit more? I think it is now fine. Okay, so first of all, okay, listen one thing. In this class, it will be very small live session. Okay, so because I just need to show you how can you use calculator, this virtual calculator that you are having, okay, in the JAM examination. Okay, in the JAM examination as well, you will be getting this kind of same 100% same kind of calculator. Actually, this is my test portal calculator, and I am using it for your reference so that you can have the same idea. But suppose you do not have laptop, because this calculator is only visible in laptop, okay, in my test portal, because the real examination definitely you will be giving through PC. So if you do not have laptop or PC, nothing to worry. I am giving you one reference. There is one calculator in the Google Play Store, that is the name is Get Calculator. And just let me share my screen first of all. Just let me share my screen. Yeah, this calculator, this Get Calculator, okay. And this Get Calculator app, I mean, this is the definitely Android application. So this app you can use definitely to appear in the, I mean, to use the same calculator, I mean, whatever I am using. Now let me show you. Yeah, this one, this calculator, right? This calculator also you can use through my test portal, and I will tell you how can you access that through my test portal. Otherwise, you can just go to Google Play Store, and on your mobile you can download this Get Calculator application. The Get Calculator application is 100% same as the real calculator that you will be getting in IIT JAM examination. Fine. Yes, everybody knows. I think everybody should know this. But trust me, whenever I was appearing in the examination, I didn't know about it. I really didn't know about it, that I should use this Get Calculator application and I should practice some questions. But although I didn't have any problem, I was, I mean, careful in the examination hall. But some of my students already told me one thing, that they faced one problem, and the problem is whenever they, I mean, they are comfortable with Casio 82 ES plus or MS plus 100 MS kind of calculator. And in those calculators, if you want to put the whole line, you can just put a whole mathematical line, and then you just put just enter equal and you get the answer. But in this kind of Get Calculator application, you won't get these kinds of facility. You cannot put the whole equation and just put equal and you will get correct answer. No, it will not happen. It is not going to happen. So you have to be very, very careful. Now I am not wasting any further time. I am just giving you one example one by one. So I'll be starting from very basic and going to very depth, so that you do not do mistakes. So it will take only 15 to 20 minutes in this session. Please keep patience. I'll be showing each and every types of calculation, and then I will take questions from you, so that, I mean, all of your confusions gets clear, right? Now, first of all, I'll be doing summation. So for that, I'm just leaving this calculator for the time being. Look at the screen. First of all, I'll be doing summation, right? So now let me just take 2 plus 5, or okay, it is very easy. I mean, I'm not giving it. 2.334 plus 0.22255. What is the value of this? So in examination, I am not recommending you that do this calculation on your copy and then put it, because your brain, I mean, you will be tensed a little bit in the examination also. You might do mistake. So do one thing, use the calculator to solve even these kinds of summation. Now, how can you do this kind of summation in real examination calculator? So now I'm moving to the calculators now at this moment. Yeah, this is my calculator in front of you. I think it is visible. So I hope you can see the cursor. Yeah, I am sharing my screen so you can see the cursor. So let me put it 2.334. 2.334. Then you will be getting a plus sign, which is, what is that? This is the plus sign. Look at this. Plus what? 0.255. 0.255. I know that you are thinking what you are doing, sir. It's very simple thing. I know, but I am going from the basic to the end, because this calculator is a different kind of calculator. So please keep patience. So as you can see, I am getting answers 2.589. So I have noted down. Okay, I have noted down. Now let me go back. Let me come back again. Yeah. So I have got my answer. So you will be doing this kind of summation through your calculator, and then you will be noting down on your notepad that you will be provided in the examination. Okay, so they will provide you a notepad and a pen, So you have to just note that down after doing summation on that notepad. Fine. And just as I have done this. So summation, how you can do, it's very easy, so I am not wasting my time. Similarly, you can do the subtraction. So I am not wasting my time in doing subtraction because you are guys smart, right? What about multiplication? So now let me show you multiplication. So I am taking one very simple example. First of all, suppose I am taking 2 by 3 multiplied by 4.26. Suppose I have to do this kind of multiplication. So I know that you are smart, but some of you might do this kind of thing. 2, you will just put it in the calculator in this way. 2 by 3, 2 divided by 3 multiplied by 4.26. Okay. So if you put this in this way on the calculator, then might be you are not getting correct answer. Might be. I forgot definitely that whether I should do division or then subtraction. I really forgot. Seriously, I forgot that thing, right? But I am recommending, do not put everything at once. Do not put it. Do not put all this 2 by 3 multiplied by this. Do not put it at once. No. Do it through small steps, or do it smartly. How smartly? You can do it in this way. So you know this means actually 2 multiplied by 4.26 and then divided by 3. So how can you do this on calculator? Let me now go back to the calculator. So I am on my calculator. So now once I have done the previous calculation, now how can you rub it? You are seeing this C option. C means red C. Okay, C means cut. I have cut it. Got it? Then now let me do this calculation. So I have got 2 multiplied by 4.26 divided by 3. So what I do first, 2 multiplied by 4.26, and then I will not do division. Remember, then I will not do revision. I am not doing division. So what I am getting? I am getting 8.52. Now let me show you what I have done. Let me show you. This is my copy. So I have done only this part. I haven't done this part. Please be careful. I know that here if you do it, there will be no mistake. You can just get the answer. But still I am telling you, be careful. In the examination hall, do not put everything on the calculator. Do not put. Please do not put. I am telling you. A lot of very good students did this kind of mistake and didn't get marks in examination. Okay. So what I have got? Let me just check it once. 8.52. So I have got 8.52. Just write it down on your notepad. Once you have written it down, then again go back to your calculator and then divide 8.52 by 3. Now I am showing you once again. Now I have got 8.52. Just a second. I'm sorry. Yeah, sorry. So yeah, 8.52, fine, and divided by 3. Now let me show you. Let me go back to the calculator. Yes. So 8.52 divided by 3. So I have got 8.52. So I am cutting it. 8.52 divided by, so I have got division sign is here. This is the division sign. Remember, this is the division sign, divided by 3. And then I have got 2.84. So I have got my answer. So this is how you should do to avoid each and every mistake. Fine? Each and every mistake. I know you can, this is a very simple example, but I will be giving you a lot more complicated example where you can definitely do mistake. Okay. Now let me go back to the next example. Yes. Come back now. Now I am giving you one more example. So you have understood multiplication, and also I have given you example of division. How can you do division? So do it by slow steps. Do not put everything at once on the calculator. This is not your Casio calculator that you just put everything and then put enter, you are getting answer. No, it is very simple calculator. Okay, that won't give you the result directly. Now let me show you how can you put to the power something. How can you calculate the value of that? Suppose they are talking about, you have got one answer like e to the power something, e to the power 4.5. What is the value of e to the power 4.5? Now let me again show you go, let me take you to the calculator and put this, let me put this value, e to the power 4.5, okay, e to the power 4.5, yeah. So now this is calculator, so again I am using this cut sign, okay. So e to the power, so look at this, what is e? This is e actually, okay, this is basically e, it is e, so e I have put it first, to the power, 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 okay, I am not getting to the power sign, guys listen, whenever I am not getting to the power sign, now what can I do? Actually I cannot do, I will be using a different method. What is that? You can see that e to the power x, you can see this system, this wherever I am putting my cursor, look at this, it is actually e to the power x, correct? So as it is e to the power x, so first of all you have to put the value of x, you have to put the value of x, then you have to click on this button, now first of all if you are putting, okay, e this, nothing, it is coming nothing, you didn't put any value of x, so e to the power, here I want to calculate e to the power 4.5, like look at this, here I want to calculate e to the power 4.5, so this 4.5 is my what, this 4.5 is my basically x, okay, this 4.5 is my x, please remember, okay. So now let me show you, let me go back again, let me turn on the calculator, yes. Now here I will be doing one thing, I will be putting first of all 4.5, so let me cut it, then I will be putting 4.5 first, 4.5, and then I will be, this is the value of x, and now I am putting e to the power x button, and whenever I put it, look at this, I have got the answer, 90.01, okay, 90.01. So now let me go back again, yeah, so I have got 90.01, this is the value that I am getting. So that means you cannot put in the calculator that the JAM administration will give you, in that virtual calculator you cannot put e to the power 4.5 equal to what, you cannot calculate in this way. What you have to do, this value, you have this function e to the power x, so what you do, just first of all put the value of x, like here it is 4.5, and then select the function e to the power x, I mean click on the function e to the power x, then you will get the value of e to the power x. And let me go back again and show you another example. Now suppose I am giving you another example, number 5, suppose I want to calculate this value, 10 to the power 4.2, 10 to the power 4.2 multiplied by 2.303 log 5 by 2. Now I am giving you a very complicated example, maybe you are getting problem in this way. Now guys, whenever you are getting this example, do not expect that you will put everything and get the answer, no. First of all, answer is no. First of all, calculate the value of this individually and put it over here. You know the value of this, fine, already it is 2.303, so I am putting it 2.303, okay, and then calculate the value of this, 5 by 2 means what, it is 2.5 basically, and this 2.5 is after log, that means you have to calculate the value of log 2.5, okay, remember. So you shouldn't put log, you cannot put log 5 by 2, you cannot put in that calculator. What you have to do, first of all you have to calculate the value of this, I know how to calculate, 5 by 2 means 2.5, I have put it 2.5, then put log here, and then this value, this value. Now first of all what I do, let me do the calculation, 10 to the power 4.2, how can I calculate that, 10 to the power 4.2, now let me again show you, this is my calculator, let me cut it, okay, now 10 to the power 10, okay, I know that I have done this mistake to make you understand something. I want to write 10 to the power something, but I have written what, 1 to 2, so you can just cut the whole thing by this button, see, or you can do one more thing, you can just use this backspace sign, this red big color sign that is called backspace, I mean one number will get cut at once, 1 1 1, okay, fine. So this is backspace sign, so I have to calculate the value of what, 10 to the power 4.2, how can I calculate it, look at this guys, look at the function beside the e to the power x, it is 10 to the power x function, that means what can you do, put the value of x, then click on this button, click this button, yes, okay, click on this button. Click on this button 10 to the power x. So what is the x value? X value is 4.2. Let me put it 4.2. Okay, and then put the click on this function 10 to the power x. I have put the x value, then 10 to the power x. Okay, what I am getting? 15,848. 15,848.93. Look at this. This is the value that I am getting. Now let me come back again. Let me come back and show you. Do it. So I have put the value 15,848.93 for this. Then 2.303 and then log this. Now again I don't know this value, log 2.5 value. What I need to do? I have to go back again and calculate the log 2 by 5 value. Yeah. Now I am cutting whole thing. Cut log 2 by 2. Log 2.5. How can I calculate it? Log 2 by 5. Now guys, remember, in generally log has a base basically 10. Okay, so if there is no other base, you shouldn't do anything. If there is no other base, you shouldn't do anything. In this case there is nothing here. That means log base is 10 and you should ignore it. Just do it normally. So first of all use 2.5. 2.5 just I have put the value of x. Then I will be using this log button. Although here nothing is there as x, then also you have to put this log button. Look at this, ln log, okay, log button. Log button means it has function base 10. Normal log means, this log means it has base 10. If you look at this log, look at this log has base 2. So be careful, you shouldn't click on this log. You have, if definitely in chemistry whatever calculation you will be doing, during those calculation you will be using this log, not this log. I am showing you this. Okay, I have kept my cursor. Okay, these log you will use. So first of all put 2.5, then click on this log. Look at this here, look at here. You have got the value of what? Log 2.5. Fine, log 2.5 value is 0.397. let me put it, I am noting it down. 0.397. 397. Great. So now let me again come back guys for you. Yeah, so I have calculated this value, I have calculated this value. Now hey, this part and this part I have to multiply to get the whole value. Now let me multiply again. You can see this thing. I am just going back to my calculator. Yeah, this is my calculator. Now what I am doing, let me cut everything. Okay, I am just doing very slowly, step by step. Okay, I know this is this is not an efficient option, but in this examination you have to do it in this way. There is no other option for you, right? Now let me put it 15,848.93 multiplied by 2.303 multiplied by 0.397. That will give you total 14,490.5. 14,490.5. Look at this, 14,490.5. This is the value. And one more thing that I want to tell you, whenever you are using your calculator, you cannot use your keyboard. I mean whatever keyboard I have on this laptop, right? You cannot use that keyboard. You have to use only your mouse. Yes, you have to select all the numbers through your mouse. They won't give you the access of keyboard, so you have to click each and everything through your mouse. How? By using this. You are seeing this number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. You have to select number from here. They won't give you keyboard. Even during the whole JAM examination, they won't allow you to use your keyboard. Fine, got it? That's the thing. Okay, that's the thing. So that's all. That is how you will be using calculator. Now I am telling you there are a lot of other options. Suppose you want to calculate 1 by 0.35. Let me give you one example more. Number 6 example. Suppose I am giving a complicated 1 by 0.259132. Suppose you have to calculate this value. Okay, let me share my screen. Yeah, suppose you have to calculate this value 1 by this value. Now you are worrying, how can I calculate that? This thing also you can do on your calculator. How? Let me show you. Basically, this 0.259132 is your x value. So now you can see this 1 by x function above equal sign. You have to use this function now. So first cut everything, put the value of x. What is the value of x? Let me put it 0.2591259132 and then click on this function. This is the value of x. Now you want to calculate value of 1 by x. Look at this. This value has a reciprocal of this. Reciprocal means 1 by. 1 by this value is 3.859. Let me put it 3.859. This is the value that you are getting. Clear? This is the value that you are getting. So in this way you have to use your calculator. So guys, I am telling you, do one thing. From Play Store, if you have Android phone, because Android phone only has this application. If you have Android phone, then from Play Store, download this Get Calculator application and please do explore everything, each and every option, whatever you have. Please do explore. Okay, please do explore. And if you want to appear real examination, yes. And if you have laptop, then I am giving you another option. I can give you access of that examination. Access means what kind of access? I mean, you can just go to my application through your web portal. Definitely, web portal means through your laptop, not through your mobile phone. Through your mobile phone, you cannot, do this job. Okay, you have to go to your website and then you can just do this job. How? Do you want to learn it? Do you want to appear this test? If you have laptop or PC, then you can also, because in the real JAM examination, you have to appear through your PC, through the PC. Okay, so if you have laptop or PC, then my recommendation will be you can just use this calculator through laptop or PC. Okay, that access I can give you through my test portal, mock test portal. And if you do not have laptop or mobile phone, then you can do one thing. You can just use this Get Calculator application. Okay, this application is 100% same that I have just shown you. Okay, fine. So that is all. That is how you should use your calculator. Fine. Yes. So any question if you have, you can just ask me. I am showing you all these functions again, and if you want to ask me any questions regarding this, anything that I have to explain, because in chemistry I am telling you there is this pi, this sine, this cos, everything you have to use. Suppose I am doing another math. Let me do another math through Bragg's law. Let me do another math. Okay, then I think it will be better. Number 6, number 7. 2 into 0.53 is equal to n means 1 into 2.4 into sine theta. Suppose you have got this problem and you have to calculate the value of theta. How can you calculate this? How can you calculate this? Yes, Patatri. How can you calculate this? I am telling you, do calculate the value of theta. How can you do this job? Because this kind of problem you can face using solid state problem. N lambda is equal to 2d sine theta. Like this kind of thing. Okay. Now, whenever if anybody asks to calculate theta, how can you do this? In that case, do one thing first of all. Do something on your copy, on your notepad. Then use your calculator. Do not put everything on your calculator. You won't get anything. You won't get any result. Okay. So, I am writing in this way. Sine theta is equal to what? 2 into 0.53 divided by 2.4. Now, I have to calculate the value of this. Once I have calculated this, then what I can do? I can just use theta is equal to sine inverse 2 into 0.53 by 2.4. Okay, that means I will be calculating the value of x, this value, and then I will use the function sine inverse. Let me show you what is that function. Yes, sine inverse. Look at this. Look at my cursor. This is the sine inverse function. Okay, fine. This is the sine inverse function. So first of all, put the value of this x and then click on sine inverse. Let me show you. Definitely I will be showing you. Let me show you this thing. So if I do calculate it through this calculator, what value I can get? I have to do 2 into 0.53 by 2.4. 2 into 0.53 by 2.4. Let me calculate it first. Cut everything, then 2 into 0.53. 2 into 0.53 is equal to this. Divided by 2.4. Divided by 2.4. Done. I have got 0.44. Fine, 0.44. Now once I got 0.44, now I am clicking on sine inverse. Sine inverse 0.44 means 26.21. So theta will be equals to, now let me come back and show you what value I have got, 26.21. So theta will be equals to 26.21 degree. Look at this, 26.21 degree. This is how you will use your calculator. It is not simple calculator that you will put sine inverse, then in the bracket you will put this by this. You cannot put. You have to calculate you have to do this multiplication, then you have to division, then you will be getting the value of this. Once you have got the value of this, then you have to use the function sine inverse. So this value you have got, then use the function sine inverse, then you will get the value sine inverse this. Sine inverse this means 26.21 degree. Now again make sure whenever you are doing it, again please make sure one thing, that whenever you are doing this kind of calculation, this degree and this radian, this should not be mixed. Every time please keep it in degree. Every time please keep this value in degree. Do not change it into radian. Already the default mode is degree, but still I am telling you to check it and keep it in degree. Do not change it to radian. Okay, this is one method. And another method, okay, this is all. You have understood now everything. So whatever function you can use. I have shown you everything. In this way you can use this root over function. Okay, this root over function, fine. Then this kind of root over function. Okay, so I hope, okay, this is the normal root over function. Look at this root over. I am just keeping my cursor here. This is normal root over function, and that you will be using normally in maximum cases. But suppose you have to use other values, okay, something to the power something, or cube root of 3, cube root over of 3, then you will be using this function and any other value for this. But it won't be necessary. Only this root over is very, very important. Fine. So log, whether it is log or ln, it doesn't matter. You have to use only these functions. Let me give you one more example. Although I won't solve it, but I will show you what kind of problem you can face. Suppose you are having nRT ln v2 by v1, and you know your v2 value, you know v1 value. So first of all, what do you do? v2 by v1, calculate the value of this. Suppose you have got 2.4. Then in the calculator write 2.4 and then you put on the button ln. First put 2.4 and then put the button ln. Click the button ln. Then you will get the value of ln 2.4. Once you got this, then put the value of, then whatever value, suppose you have got 5.6. Suppose I have just taken in 5.6. Then put the value of temperature R and N and multiply with 5.6. Then you will get the final value of this. Yeah, it will take a lot of time, but my recommendation will be, do not try to do it by single step. If you try to do it, you are done. You cannot 3 hours will not be enough for you, because you will do mistakes, and once you do mistake, then your brain will get hesitated, right? So please do it step by step. Whatever value you are calculating, write it down on your copy, on your notepad that you will be provided, and then do it step by step through the calculator, as I have done over here in front of you. Fine. So any question, any doubt, if you have, please you can ask me without any hesitation, please. Okay, that's all about this session. So if you are done, just go and just do revision, do revise your thing. Do not waste time in this session, right, at this moment. But still some of you want to appear the real test, then I can give you something. I have something for you, right? What is that? Let me just show you. Yeah, let me show you. Yeah, let me show you. Just a second. So if you want to appear this kind of test, what you can do? Yeah, you can just go. Let me write on the copy on this screen. I think that would be better. First of all, go to this link. web dot through your, definitely through your PC or laptop. Do not open it through your mobile, okay, because through mobile you won't get calculator option, because mobile screen is not big enough to do this job, right? Be careful. Dot class plus app.com. So please go to this website through your laptop or PC. Do not from mobile, not through mobile. Then you will be getting option org code or organization code. In the organization code, put MGBDE. Please put MGBDE. I mean, this is my organization code, and then put your mobile number as usual. Okay. I mean, if they ask, then put your mobile number, whatever your mobile number is. Okay, MOB. I am showing you how to do this. Okay, put your mobile number, and then I mean you have to do the registration process. You will get a OTP. So put that OTP here. Once you put your mobile number, you will get the OTP, and just put it. Your registration process will be done. Once you have done this registration process, so you can take the screenshot. I am giving you 5 seconds time. Please take the screenshot. After 5 seconds, I am going to connect it through my mobile phone. Then I am going to show you what you have to do. Or I can show you through my PC, definitely. Then it will be better, okay, because you will be doing this through your PC, right? Or you can do it from your mobile and access it through PC, okay? I am showing you through my mobile phone. Okay, done. So I hope you have connected. Now let me connect my mobile phone. Just a second. Just a second. Just a second. So if you want to appear in real examination, okay, then only. I think it is fine. Yeah. Okay, is it visible? Okay, fine. I think it is visible at this moment. Yeah. So just a sec. Okay, done. Now, yeah, let me just turn it on through my mobile phone. Okay, just a second. Okay, fine. I have to turn off this. Okay, it is becoming very tough for me. So what I'm doing, I'm just sending this. I'm just showing you in this way. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm just showing you in this way, not this screen. I'm just showing in this way. Okay, so okay, fine. Look at this. Fine. So I think now it is visible. Okay. So now, first of all, once you have done this process, I mean, you have seen this process, the whole thing I have shown you, this thing, just go to this website. Okay. Go to this website, then put organization code this, put your mobile number, then the corresponding OTP, and complete the registration process. And after completing the whole registration process, once you go to this website, okay, and by putting this organization code, remember you have to put this organization code, okay, then you will face this kind of thing that I am showing you, this kind of thing where you will be inside the batch. Okay, so stay inside the batch. This is the batch option. Okay, you can see this. So once you get this batch option, so then what you have to do, you have to just okay, how can I show you, because I have to do the login then through my just a sec, just a sec, just a sec, just a sec. Just a sec. Yeah, fine. Yeah, I have got it. Yeah, I have got it. Just this display I have to capture. Yeah, I think it is visible now. Okay, great. Now look at this. This will be your option. I mean, you will be coming to these batches. Okay, just stay in the batches. Once you are in the batch, then do one thing. You are in the batch. Do one thing. Request. Click on this button. Request to join. Once you click on the batch, once you click on this batch, I mean request to join. Once you click on this button, what will happen? They will be asked for a batch code, and the batch code you will get in the description box. Okay, so please go to description box. You will be getting the batch code. Although I am showing you what is the batch, I am writing it over here. What will be the batch code? I am just writing it over here. Just a second. Yeah, the batch code will be JAM 2023. Okay, the batch code will be, let me write it over here. Let me show you over here. Yeah, the batch code will be JAM. Batch code will be JAM 2023. Once you, okay, there is no space. Okay, there is no space. JAM 2023, there is no space. 2023. So once you submit this batch code, within few minutes I will just accept your request. I will just accept your request. So you can do this by going to this website. Okay, so first go to website, put the organization code, put mobile number, OTP, and then do the registration process. Once you have completed the registration process, then do one thing. Then do one thing. You will be coming on this page, batches. In the batches, this batch you can't see. This is the batch, but this batch you can't see at first. Just click on this button, request to join. Then put this jam 2023. Once you put this and then just put it request to join. Okay, here it is showing error because student is already in the batch, that's why. So just click on this batch, click and request to join. I will get a notification, I will accept you, and then you will be inside the batch. Once you are inside this Sunday mock test batch, then you will be going to the test section. Once you are going to the test section, you will be getting this test, atomic structure 1. Just click on attempt. Okay, so once you are clicking on attempt, then just put next and then accept this everything, and this is the your mock tests website. Okay, I mean the whole website is here, and here you can see this option, show calculator. Okay, show calculator option. Fine, click on this. You have got the calculator. So whatever mathematical numericals you want to solve, you can solve this. Okay, and you can use the calculator simultaneously. Do this thing to get the exact feeling of JAM 2022 examination, to get the exact feeling. Okay, but if you don't want to get the exact feeling, I mean you just want to learn how to use calculator, my recommendation is just download get calculator application, then it is fine. Okay, then it is absolutely fine. That's all. And then whatever you want to do, you can do this. I'm just leaving this test. Yeah, fine. And that's all, guys. Okay, that is all about this session. Okay, that is all about this session. And if you want to join the batch through your mobile phone, then also you can do this thing. Okay, how you can do this thing? in this way. Yes, in this way. So yeah, then just go and this is my phone. Okay, I'm just showing you how can you do this. How can you do this? I'm just showing you. Okay, so this is my phone, and in this phone I'm just going to that application. Okay, so yeah, once you log in, and then you will be getting everything in this box. Okay, and in this box what you have to do, you can see there is a button like batches here, over here you can see this, right? Batches option, I mean here, down here. So once you are in this batch, then you can just, you have to click on this plus button. Okay, this plus button you have to click. Once you click on this plus button, enter batch code. In this batch code you will be putting jam 2023. Once you put it through your mobile phone, just okay, and then definitely I will be just, I can add you through my batch. Okay, but yeah, here it is, I mean the different kind of thing, because already we are logged in, that's why this kind of thing is happening. Just click on that batches, just join the batch, and then you can just go to test to appear in the mock test. But to access the calculator, to access the same calculator, you have to remember one thing, that you should do this thing through your PC or laptop, because mobile phone cannot handle that kind of calculator, right? But I am telling you, do one thing, my recommendation, if you don't want to appear real kind test, real test, I mean the same feeling of jam examination, just download this application, I mean the get calculator application. Fine. So I don't think that I don't think that it is necessary. Okay, I mean it has become a too much complicated thing for you, I know. If you can't handle it, if you are not able to handle it, let it go. Do not appear in the mock test, but at least download the get calculator app, and please do use the app in that way. Fine, that's all. So that's all about this session. So anybody has any question, please you can ask me. Shubham, yes Shubham, itne sare hi hai. Okay, and this video will be very helpful for other students as well, right? And this test will be there for lifetime, so everybody can access it, right? Fine guys, that's all. I don't think anything will be required. So anything, any question? I'm waiting for 30 seconds. If you have any question, just ask me. If you do not have any question, I am just leaving the session. Okay, and just do read properly, please. And already those who are Benzene batch students, they already used this kind of calculator in their Benzene batch test. Okay, so they are already familiar with this kind of thing, but I don't think you are familiar. Harihara, yes Harihara, I am fine now, I am good now. But I am telling you a reality, that if I want to become 100% fine like before, 100% fine like before, it will take 1 more year. Yes, 1 more year, 1 complete year it will take. But yeah, I am fine now, as you can see from my voice, I am fine absolutely. But yeah, I am on rest, I am not I mean a lot of pressure, I am not taking tremendous pressure, nothing. I'm just enjoying my life and doing my job, that's all. Fine. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining. Good night to all of you, and please do not waste your time, just go and revise. सर 10 की पावर को कैसे यूज करें कैलकुलेटर से? I just told you sometimes ago, right? 10 to the power something. So look at this, I have, okay, 10 to the power something. Okay, I just showed you. Debraj, you came late, right? Please do watch this video from the beginning. Example number 5 I have given to you. Example number 5 is on that, how to use 10 to the power something, 10 to the power something, 10 to the power something, anything. I have used 10 to the power 4.2. How can you do this? So please look at question number 5. Okay, fine, that's all. Fine guys, thank you so much, bye bye.